This is a painting that I did about a month ago. I like it a lot, but it needs something. You see this, the big yellow square? It's over a lot of marks, interesting things to me behind it, but it needs something. So what is it? So I decided after seeing a Basquiat show in Los Angeles that I'm going to do a little Basquiat on this. What does that mean? I'm going to drop paint from a ladder down with a big splash, a splat right here. Hopefully it'll end up. So I'm thinking, what color? So I went to my color charts and I found the perfect color. I like that color. So here we go. Now the color I want is this blue. So here we go. Oh, it's scary to do this. I better get over this way because I want that splat to go off the painting. Are you ready? Nope. Not yet. Oh, I missed it. That's pretty good. That's not like I had planned, but maybe it's the best. It looks kind of like a design, which I did not want. That's better. Well, anyway,